Good morning. It's snowing. I just carried that up 4 flights of stairs. So stuff from yesterday, Bed Bath & Beyond. On our list of fun things we got: fire extinguisher, carbon monoxide thing, something for olive, I think, soap, sheets, ice trays, all very, very exciting things. It has stopped snowing. I repeat, it has stopped snowing. It was fun while it lasted. Of course, my snow boots are in Harlem still. Of course. Here we go. Alright, we dropped off our laundry. Amazing. The place there is incredible. They just do your laundry for you and then fold it and give it back to you. We're now braving through the blizzard. It's just some snow on the side of the road. And we're going to eat.
How merry, how bright, the snowfall turns the world into a lovely sight.
This shot is, time-wise, literally probably 20 seconds later.
The time lapse?
Honey, let's play.
Just finished up at Blue Dog, right? It was ridiculously good.
The mimosas.
Yeah, it was very good. We are here, rock climbing at our cool new gym, as I said we would. I'm gonna climb. Ready, Mom?
Yeah.
I saw the clouds roll in and run across the sky, and I hope that, I really hope that when the sun burns through and
Molly is about to attempt the most difficult climb ever recorded in MPHC history. And by that, I mean it's the 5.6 plus check mark blue, which means that it's super easy actually.
I'm nervous that you're filming me.
and I will show you that I'll wear the crown. I thought I told you that you can't keep me down. Turn it up. Down. Can't keep me down. Turn it up. Down.
We're going to the pool. This place is amazing. I don't know if you could see from this shot. They have scuba diving classes that you can take in the pool. Amazing. Again, to reiterate, that gym is amazing. Very, very excited. Going out to get some wine. Gonna relax and chill the rest of the night. Get a great night's sleep, and then have an awesome day tomorrow. We'll see you there. And remember, it's vlog time.
Last night.